What's up, guys? Average Tech Guy here, and today we are back with another case review. This is the Anoke. Now, it's for the iPad Pro 11, and we're about to check it out. So as I mentioned, this is the Anoke case. I wanted to bring you guys this because it seems like a really durable case. I wanted to try this thing out. Now, this case actually comes, it's two separate parts. So the hard outer shell on the back can be separated from the rubberized TPU on the inside. And then you can easily just click these back in and they're back in like so. Makes you a whole case again. You got hard rubberized edges. You got a hard back. You actually have a kickstand on the back. Nice and durable. Doesn't give. You have clamps on the back for your Apple Pencil to go and Apple Pencil charging support up top. Nice rubberized back on the inside is going to protect. Let's go ahead and get this into the case. Pencil sits down. I'm going to drop this in. First thing we're going to look for is, and let me mention, I do have a screen protector on here. It is a Anoke Tech Glass, one of the best tech glasses out there that you can get for your iPad. First thing we want to do is we want to check out that Apple Pencil function. And we do have charging. It is a go. It's on deck, ready to go. Second, we want to make sure that the clips on the back actually work. So we drop our Apple Pencil in, they clip shut. You got carrying on the back as well. You're looking on the back, camera sits down in a nice groove. You don't have to worry about it getting banged up. All of our ports up top, as well as down bottom, match up perfectly. Stand is nice and sturdy. No issues from that out of me. Now, a little higher on the stand in that angle, and you can flip it over. You can use it in a little lower stand if you want to draw, do anything of that nature. Let the stand down, and let's finish on the front. Now, like I said, Tech Glass is in here. It's not bothering the glass or anything, no issues with that. It's not making the glass raise up. We have Apple Pencil charging, which is a go. What more can you ask for? It's a nice little case that you can go pick up, and it's about 15 bucks. I'll drop a link to this from Amazon. But like I said, nice hard backing. It's nice and sturdy, and you got these nice hard rubberized edges. And with this being a hard plastic on the back, you don't have to worry about any bending issues whatsoever. So as I mentioned, I'll drop a link below so you guys can check this out for yourself. This is the Anoke case for the iPad Pro 11. Go pick you one up. Hopefully this is able to help someone out. Until next time, be sure to give me that thumbs up. Please subscribe. Average Tech Guy out. Peace.